Sige na, umana. Angko. Bye-bye! Pag-lasting din. Dala natin, paano pa 9 years? Dala? 8 years na lang. Sige ka na. Hi guys! Good morning! So, today I started my day early at 6 a.m. It was a very emotional morning because it was a lot of goodbyes. So first we went for a walk at our boulevard and we had breakfast. We just ate like coconut, the juice and the meat inside. And after that we went to my grandma. I didn't share this, but she's a bit ill. She's sick right now. She's lying. Well, she was sick, but she's a bit better right now, but she's still lying down on the bed. She can barely walk and do normal things, so she's been lying down in her bed for quite a while now. And I just said my goodbye because, you know, who knows when I'll be back to Philippines again. And it was an emotional morning. I hate goodbyes, and this is not a normal goodbye because, you know, we all know that, you know, she might not be here anymore when I'm in Canada. So it was a very quiet drive home because, you know, anyway, that's part of life, I guess. So tomorrow I'll be flying back home, and the good thing is I'm gonna be seeing Fabio. He's gonna be home from Italy, so it's a good thing. So today it's gonna be my last adventure in my town, Dipolog City. We're also gonna go to the Piran City. We're gonna see Jose Rizal Shrine. We're gonna go to Linabo Peak, climb the mountain, and some family stuff. Anyway, I hope you've been enjoying these vlogs, and thank you all for watching so far. Hey guys, we are here in Linabo Peak. So this is 3,003 steps, and we are about to climb it right now. Okay, stay tuned. It's about an hour climb up. It's a peak, it's like a mountain, and it's overlooking the city. We're here! Hey guys! Ay, smart pod mo mga energy.
Timer na din na.
What's up, man?
What's up?
What's up, dude?
Step 1.
Okay guys, here we go. We can do this. 3,003 steps, so there's 3,002 more to go.
Lubong tae!
Law man na! Isa ka na ta! Wow! At least naka 2,999 ko.
Yehey! Nahuman nami!
Moro na mga tao, di ko manaka sa peak. Magpa-picture lang yun mi dire sa obos. Di yun mi manaka. Now, mag-lunch na pod me. Mga ano pod me. Seafood. Seafood. So, wala namin nangakat sa silin na bokay. Kipang kapoy. Okay, so we're here for the seafood. Oh my god, it's so hot and it's so bright. I've been here for 1 month in the Philippines and I still can't get over how hot it is.
Modern eh.
Gubot siya kayo basta mag-order me para lunch or dinner. Usama ako ko. Mahal man na, tapila.
Para malima. O sigho isa para malima.
Ito na pila. Ayaw ang kam.
Sigho isa kay upat raman ka isa ka lesson kawali.
Daghan na lagi. Ayaw na lang nito ko ulit.
Ganahan ko.
Kumana na siya mag-order. Finally!
Kaya.
Lunchtime!
Katong wala ko lang kuyo.
Oh, nata karon diri sa place tawag og Dr. Jose Rizal Shrine, where Dr. Rizal was exiled.
What's up on the word? Dr. Exiled. That is correct. We are here right now in Dr. Jose Rizal Shrine. Dr. Jose Rizal is our national hero. So this is the place where he got exiled. So it's kind of like a museum. So yes, Jose Rizal, Dr. Jose Rizal was exiled in this place by the Spaniards around 1892 or something because he was very provocative in his words and he was against all the Spanish colony and everything. Jar! I only learned that by reading the tabloid. So while Rizal was here, he studied being a doctor, a linguist, a painter, a sculptor, so many other things. So nice! It's good to know our Filipino history.
Motor ta sa lugar ni Dr. Jose Rizal.
Nalagi music, asa di ka na mga soundbox nila? Asa di bang attach na soundbox nila na music?
Ano siya, kaning dako-dako nga bahay kubo mo na siya main nga balay ni Dr. Jose Rizal. Alin na?
Har.
Alin na? Kana mo yung kitchen. Kana yung kusina. Nadaghan kayong mga kulon.
So this is the house. So this is the native kitchen in the Philippines back in the olden days. So this is Rizal's kitchen. Cocina ni Rizal. The kitchen measures 14 by 10 feet and is open on all sides from the waist up. It was so designed to allow air in and prevent excessive smoke inside. Yeah, because, you know, it's so hot here in the Philippines. So, oh my god, look at the kitchen utensils, kitchen pots and the plates. Oh, these are all made by clay, by the way, if you guys are wondering. I can feel it, it's quite heavy. Banga, we call this banga. We used to use this to store water. Look at this, how they cooked before. There, so that's the kitchen, and let's go check out his swimming pool. He said he has a swimming pool. Let's see. Oh, this is his real house. Let's check out the real house first. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, look at the shells. So this is the main house of Dr. Jose Rizal. Is this the bathroom? Oh my god, look at this place. Oh my god, very authentic Filipino. So just right beside Dr. Jose Rizal's house over there, he decided to build two small houses or kubos, and these are for the patients that are from far away. Hoy! Hi na po sa vlog!
Hello! Hi! YouTube.
Huh?
Why we are in the YouTube?
Did you see yourself on YouTube?
Ikaw.
Titing, kita kasi mo nawong sa YouTube.
Ako
Niambak ka no, ni-dive ka no.
friend mong Fabio. Oh,
Ni-dive ka, huy.
Hoy, friend mong Ako ka na
Oh.
kita ka naghawid ka.
Naghawid?
Friend mong Fabio.
Oh.
Yeah!
Na, gipang pick up mga cousin nga gagmay.
Hi!
Guys, so this is my last night with my cousins. So, I'm buying them shoes. Mag-shoe shopping me.
Kay kuha niya ang mga Kay kuha niya ang mga
Pili na mag-shoes. Oh, pwede mo gusto? At talang nali.
Wala,
Hindi mo na siya po.
yeah, para sa
Ate mo pa to. Ah. Ano din mo na?
our new shoe. Thank you so much for our shoes, Kuya Dondon and Kuya Eloy. Oh, guys! Bye-bye!
Dala natin, paalim na kayo.
Ay, bye tita! Bye tita!
Bye, tita!
Hey guys, I'm finally home. I'm finally home. I'm gonna get to see Fabio now. Bye guys. More videos of us soon.
We're coming.